Hi toddlers, welcome to my channel.
So, today we are going to trace numbers from 1 to 50. From 1 to 50. Let's get started. This is number
1,
number
2,
number 3,
number 3,
then comes number
4,
what comes after 4?
5,
Yes, number 5. Here comes number
6,
yes. Which color are we using? Pink color.
Pink.
We are using pink color. This is number 7. Then comes number
8, 9,
yes, this is number 9.
10,
This is number 10. 1 0 10.
11,
1 1 11 with green color.
12,
1 2 12. 1 3
13,
1 4
14,
14.
14,
1 5
15,
15.
1
1
6,
6
17,
16 not 17. 1 7
17,
17. 1 8
18,
18.
1 9, 9, 1,
Yes, 1 9
1 9,
19.
19, 1 10, 19,
1 10 20 or 2 0 20.
2
2 0 20. Then comes 2 1
and 21, 2 2 22,
2 2 22.
2 2 2 2 3 23,
2 3 23.
2
2 4
2 4 24,
2 4 24.
2
2 5
2 5 25,
very good. 2 5 25. 2 6
2 6 26,
2 7
2 7 27,
2 7 27.
2 8 28,
2 8 28.
2 2
2 9
2 9 29,
2 9 29.
3 0 30,
Yes, 3 0 30. 3 1 31.
3 1 31,
3 2
3 2 32,
3 3.
33,
Very good. 3 4
34,
3 5.
3 5 35,
What comes after 35?
36,
36. Very good. 3 7
37,
37. 3 8
3 8 38,
3 9 39.
3 9 39,
Then 4 0.
4 0 40,
Yes, 4 0 40.
41,
4 1
4 1 41,
4 2
4 2 42,
4 3
4 3 43,
4 4
4 4 44,
44. 4 5
4 5
45.
45,
4 6
4 6 46,
4 7
4 7 47,
47. 4 8
4 8
48 4 9
4 9
49.
49.
Then this is the last number of the sheet, 50.
50 50.
Yes, 50 50. We have traced all the numbers from 1 to 50 and it looks so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video with us. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so